What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. Again, I'm on this app Buzzbreak. Just showing you guys how easy it is to make money. You see right here, I already have 1,800 points, and it's not even 5 o'clock in the morning. You know what I'm saying? I wake up early to get my grind started. That way I don't have to worry about it, later in the day. I can really, just do what I want. But it's just easy to make money with this app. You know what I'm saying? You see here at the top, that plus 200. Every single hour you can make 200 points, which is equivalent to 2 cents just watching a short video. It's like 15 seconds. So that's what I do every time every hour, I come on here and just click on it, get the 2 cents, just let it add up. You'll be surprised at how much money you can make just doing that. You know what I'm saying? It's like just clicking on the video, watching it, letting it play. And then you have that wheel next to it. I'm gonna show you more about that. But that's really why I'm making this video, to show you guys how the spin wheel works. But first I'm gonna click on this 200 points real quick. Click on that. An ad will play, and you wait for the ad to finish, and then you exit out. So I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Alright, so the ad is finished. Just click on the X right here. It'll take you back. See, you just earned 200 points. So now I got 2,000 points I earned today. That's equivalent to 71 cents. My balance right there. Every 1,000 points is equivalent to 10 cents. And so now what I do, I go over to the wheel. Now this wheel here, you just click on it. It'll take you to the spin wheel real quick, and you see here I got 10 tickets. You just got to be active on this site to get the tickets. That's all you got to do. Just really be active, watching the videos, all this stuff. But it's really easy to win. I'm just click on it and show you how easy it is. Just spin, wait for it actually to load up. My phone is kind of slow, but right there. Didn't win that time. I got 9 tickets left, so I'll spin again. A 1,000 points, y'all. Just like that. That's 10 cents. Got it. Spin again. It's cool. Didn't win. Just keep on going. I mean, this is easy money. They're just giving you this. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't win every time, but you have a good chance of winning when you have 10 tickets. You know what I'm saying? You see, I already won 1,000 points. Now I'm trying to get to the next one. You know what I'm saying? Just clicking on it. Got a free spin. I just basically just do this, to run out all my tickets. Then I go back to being active on the site and just, keep earning points, 100 points. You know what I'm saying? Just use all your tickets. Or you don't have to use them all. I'm just showing you guys how it works, basically. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you don't win every time, but, it's just easy money just spinning the wheel. You know what I'm saying? Got 2 left. Just keep spinning. Maybe in this last one I'll spin something. Let's see. I win something. And I did it. But it's cool. I got 1,100 points out of the spin, so I just go back, refresh. Show you my today's points. Should have like 3,100 in there, or 42. You know what I'm saying? So now I made 93 cents. A lot of money, y'all. I mean, it's not a lot, but easy for it to not even be 5 o'clock in the morning. You know what I'm saying? And the thing about it is, you can cash out very low. An ad will pop up, but you just exit out of that. You can cash out at 10 cents, 20 cents, and 50 cents. And you can cash out multiple times a day. So, I mean, this is just another way that you can make money with this app. Again, you already know I have, showing you guys how to make money with the news articles. I'm gonna show you that real quick if you're not familiar with it. Just going over to local. This and that, we get paid to look at news articles and watch YouTube videos. They have so many news articles. You can just keep on scrolling. So many, to look at, and you can get paid for each and every last one of them. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is click on it. You'll see here 8 seconds to claim your reward. Just let the timer go down. Just for 20 points. You scroll down, I get 20 points. It'll say you claim 20 points. Just like that. You know what I'm saying? You can do that with all of these news articles. It's just that easy, y'all. It's not difficult at all. Just scanning just watching the news article. You don't really have to watch it. Just look at it for like 8 seconds. And then if you want to watch YouTube videos, click on here, videos right here. You get paid for every YouTube video. Again, just like there's a lot of news articles, there's a lot of YouTube videos. You know what I'm saying? Any last one of them, you can click on. Like I said, I'm just keep on scrolling to show you how many it is. But if I just click on one right here, Let it play. Click on this button right here. And then once this timer goes off, you don't have to wait till the whole timer. Look, 10 points. And I didn't even wait for the whole timer to go off. You know what I'm saying? Just that easy. I'll do another video just to show you guys that, I mean, this is really legit. You know what I'm saying? Click on this one. I think you have to wait like a few seconds between each video, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, you gotta wait like a good 20 seconds between each video. But you know what I'm saying? It's still easy money. You know what I'm saying? I can just show you guys just more videos. Like, it's lots of videos, really. Like I said, just click on any video. It doesn't matter which one it is. Click on this button right here. And the timer will start, and you'll get your points before the timer is even done. Bam, another 10 points, y'all. So you see how easy this app is. You can watch all of these news articles. You can watch all of these YouTube videos. You can spin the wheel. You can get your daily points at the top, you know, by just watching that video. Just refresh my page real quick, show you how many points I got now. You know what I'm saying? Just easy money. You know what I'm saying? Now, the thing is just being active. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can cash out now with my quick 50 cent, that I can cash out again. You know, another 20 cent. I can cash out endless times. I mean, there's no max or maximum amount of time that let you cash out. You can just do it unlimited times. So I just want to show you guys the different ways it is to make money on this app. Very, very easy to use. I highly encourage you to sign up for it if you're not already. Download the link in the description and use my referral code. That way you can have bonus points to start out. So you don't have to start out with 0 points. You'll get bonus points in your account for using my referral code. And, you know, you just keep on grinding. Just watch YouTube videos, watch news articles, spin the wheel, and make sure you click on, you know, every hour you click on your 200 points to get, you know, 2 cents out the deal. So easy money. You got to get on it if you're not already familiar with it. I mean, how easy it is to get paid to watch YouTube videos and watch news articles. I mean, you're going to do that stuff anyway. Why not get paid for it? So, like I said, the link is in the description. Use my referral code. That way you can get bonus points. Sign up and get started. Easy money is waiting for you. Don't let it pass you by. All right. And the most important thing to remember is that every penny counts.